test. Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. Are you bored of the default Windows 11 mouse cursor? What if I told you that you can completely change it in less than 2 minutes without installing any complicated software? So let's get started. So this first website gives you a full library of ready-to-use cursor for your mouse. As you can see, you can go into the library and you can choose whatever type you like. And you can click on download. As you can see, the second website, cursor.cc, will allow you to customize your own cursor as you like. And also, the best thing about this is it gives you the possibility to import an image and it will transform this image into your custom cursor. So let's get started. And as you can see here, I really like this crosshair PNG files, and I will put those links in the description. So now the file is downloaded successfully, and now let's import this image. Import image, choose file, and here is my new cursor. What I need is transparent and now what you need to do is choose where the hotspot, where the mouse will clicks, where will be this place at the center. And now everything is completed. Click on download cursor. You can see the visualization of your cursor now. Click on download, save. Now go to the control panel. Click on mouse, pointers, then click on browse. And right here you will see your file. Click on your file, open, apply, OK, and you can see the mouse that I have now, which is a Core 1. And that's it. Now you know how to change and customize your mouse. In Windows 11, as you can see, it is quick and easy, and you can completely change how your desktop looks. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.